so Atticus, tonight is Jill's last night in Macomb for the summer. It's home so long for me, and we'll see you next summer. Come on, Jill, let's go to Still's house. Hey, Dale. Hey, come on, go for a walk? Sure.
Let's go look at Boone's house again.
Can I come?
No, I don't think you're brave enough. You should stay here.
Oh, come on, I'll be fine.
Okay, don't come crying to me when you're scared.
Okay, so wait. Sorry. Go first.
Will you go first?
Fine, I'll go first. Shh, you kidding me?
Yeah, pick me up so I can get a better look.
Okay, get on our backs. Do you see anything, Dale?
Nothing but curtains.
I think there's a shadow behind you, Jem.
What? Where?
It was just there, I swear. Maybe we should get out of here.
I hear something. Let's go. Darn kids. Hurry up.
Calm down. Guys, just take your pants off. It's gonna be okay. Okay. Come on, go. Just leave your pants. Let's go.
At least we're home. I don't have any pants.
Yeah, we better go find some pants before Agnes notices.
Where have you guys been? We were playing Jem, where are your pants? We were playing ship poker. You guys shouldn't be playing that. Now go off to bed.
Okay.
I have to get my pants.
Jem, don't. You're gonna get hurt.
I have to.
I'll be back soon.
Guys, hype me up so I can get a better look.
Okay, get on our backs. Do you see anything, Dale?
Nothing but curtains.
Stop.
Okay. Get on our backs.
Okay.
You see anything, Dale?
Nothing but curtains.